going to show you how to measure. There are a couple different measurements you're going to want to take in order to get the perfect fitting garment. The first one is the chest measurement. Go ahead and put your arms out. You are going to want to take the tape measure and put it around the fullest part of the chest. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. We are at 23.5. The next measurement is the waist, and you are going to want to be at the natural waist for this. Bring it all the way around, and 21.25. The next measurement is the hip measurement. Make sure the legs are together. You are going to bring it around the fullest part. Bring it all the way around. We are at 25.25. The next measurement is the trunk measurement. Go ahead and take a big step out. Good job. You're going to take the tape measure, put it through the legs. Make sure you're not pulling it up into the crotch. Bring it up over the shoulder and then match it back up. We are at 42. And then the final measurement is going to be the height measurement. You're going to want them to put their legs together. You're okay, you can stay right here. And you're going to have them back all the way up against the wall. Stand straight, feet together, and you're going to measure from the top of the head all the way to the floor. Now, something to keep in mind while you're taking these measurements is you want to make sure you are measuring over form-fitting clothing in order to get accurate measurements. You don't want to measure over any bulky items or you won't get the correct measurements. I hope that helped, and I hope you have a great day.